At Rayform, we are dedicated to delivering advanced dental materials and digital manufacturing solutions. As an integrated manufacturer, we combine research and development, material production, and equipment engineering to provide reliable end-to-end solutions for global partners. Our product portfolio covers a comprehensive range of dental materials, from high-performance photopolymer resins for 3D printing, including model, castable, water-washable, and flexible resins, to light-cure composite resins and other clinical materials. We support both laboratory production and chairside applications. At the same time, we are expanding our material technologies into new industries, including animation, jewelry, and consumer electronics, developing high-performance 3D printing materials tailored for diverse application needs. In addition, our industrial-grade DLP 3D printers are designed for high precision efficiency and scalability, enabling applications such as clear aligner model production and high-accuracy dental models. Driven by continuous innovation, we focus on optimizing both materials and workflows to ensure consistent quality, enhanced productivity, and long-term reliability. With a deep understanding of digital dentistry, Rayform empowers dental labs, clinics, and manufacturers to achieve more efficient and scalable production. Rayform, your trusted partner in dental materials and digital manufacturing.